Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Organize your outdoor space with a durable, weather-resistant solution designed for daily use. Best plastic storage shed options deliver strength, low-maintenance design, and long-lasting performance, ideal for tools, bikes, and garden gear, keeping essentials secure, dry, and organized. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Suncast 54 cubic feet storage shed. The Suncast 54 cubic feet storage shed is an excellent solution for homeowners who need secure and low-maintenance outdoor storage in a compact footprint. Its tall vertical design makes it easy to store long-handled tools such as brooms, rakes, shovels, patio umbrellas, and pool accessories without taking up much yard or patio space. Built in the USA with multi-wall resin construction, this shed is designed to withstand rain, snow, and intense sun without rusting, rotting, or warping, making it ideal for year-round outdoor use. The lockable doors with padlock-ready handles provide peace of mind by keeping tools safe from theft, children, and animals. A durable floor is included, ensuring stability and protecting stored items from ground moisture. Inside, shelf-ready notches allow for customization, letting you add up to 3 shelves for organizing smaller items like gardening supplies or barbecue tools. Overall, this shed delivers dependable durability, simple organization, and reliable security for everyday outdoor storage needs. Number 2. UDPATIO Storage Shed. The UDPATIO storage shed stands out for its generous interior space and strong weather-resistant construction. Designed with premium 12mm polypropylene resin, this shed is waterproof, rust-proof, and UV protected, making it suitable for daily outdoor use in all seasons. Its double-wall, steel-reinforced structure enhances durability, while offering resistance to insects, corrosion, and harsh weather conditions. With ample room for gardening tools, sports equipment, seasonal items, or even use as a small pet shelter, this shed is a versatile addition to any backyard. The included sturdy floor helps block moisture, reducing the risk of mold or rot, while the built-in window allows natural light and ventilation, improving visibility and airflow inside. Installation is simplified with a block-style assembly system and clearly labeled parts, making it manageable for 2 people within a few hours. Overall, this shed offers a strong balance of capacity, durability, and user-friendly design for organized outdoor storage. Number 3. Aoxun 64 cubic foot storage shed. The Aoxun 64 cubic foot storage shed is designed for users who value flexibility, stability, and innovative access. Its unique 4-door design allows you to easily switch between 4-door and 2-door configurations, making it convenient for organizing small tools or moving larger equipment in and out. Constructed from high-quality, waterproof resin, this shed resists UV damage and fading while remaining easy to clean with minimal maintenance. The widened anti-toppling base enhances stability, even on uneven ground, helping prevent accidents caused by shifting weight or frequent door use. Additional storage options are available through optional partitions and pegboard-style features, allowing you to customize the interior layout to your specific needs. A specially designed door suction system keeps doors securely in place during use, adding to overall safety and longevity. This shed is a reliable choice for homeowners seeking adaptable storage with a focus on stability and long-term performance. Number 4. The Gizoon Lawn Storage Shed. The Gizoon Lawn Storage Shed offers impressive capacity and thoughtful design for homeowners needing dependable outdoor storage. With over 135 cubic feet of interior space, it easily accommodates gardening tools, outdoor equipment, and seasonal items, while still fitting neatly into smaller yards. Built from premium double-wall HDPE resin, the shed is waterproof, UV-resistant, and rust-proof, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. The heavy-duty floor supports heavier equipment and protects contents from ground moisture, while the sloped A-frame roof prevents water and snow buildup. Louvered vents promote proper airflow, reducing moisture and helping prevent tool rust. Lockable double doors add security and keep small animals out.
Assembly is made easier with video-assisted instructions, helping users complete setup efficiently with minimal frustration. With customizable shelving options and durable construction, this shed is a practical and long-lasting storage solution for organized outdoor living.
Number 5. WTFGO Backyard Storage Shed. The WTFGO Backyard Storage Shed combines stylish design with practical functionality, making it an attractive addition to modern outdoor spaces. Featuring subtle wood grain accents, it blends well with patios and gardens while providing ample storage for tools, outdoor furniture, pool supplies, BBQ equipment, and sports gear. Built from high-quality resin, this shed offers strong resistance to rain and UV exposure, keeping contents dry and protected while maintaining its appearance over time. Security is enhanced with a reliable double locking mechanism and a convenient foot-operated latch, allowing easy access without bending. The shed's smooth interior and exterior surfaces make cleaning simple, helping it look neat year-round. Installation is straightforward thanks to clear instructions and a step-by-step video guide, making it accessible even for first-time assemblers. Overall, this shed delivers a balance of durability, convenience, and visual appeal for organized and stress-free outdoor storage.
Choosing the right storage shed adds convenience, protection, and long-term value to your space. With durable construction and smart design, a quality plastic shed keeps belongings safe from weather while reducing clutter, helping you maintain a clean, organized, and functional outdoor area year-round.